Tell me about yourself. So you can answer this by good morning everyone. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me an opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Khanam. I belong to Delhi. I am currently pursuing my final year BTech in Computer Science Engineering from XYZ University. During my second year, I did internship in ABC company and there I got an opportunity to test the accuracy of websites. First time I was working on testing the websites which would be used by the real users. So I was a bit excited and nervous both, but with the guidance of my team, I was able to complete it successfully. I also learned how to handle the complaints of clients and to be patient. I am a pragmatic and an avid learner and my driving force is to perform well at everything I do. If I talk about my hobbies, I am fond of learning new technologies arriving inside the market. I love doing painting and portrait sketching. I love editing photos and videos. This all self-learning activities has really helped me to know that determination and good strategy can really help us to overcome any obstacle in life. So far as my family background is concerned, we are 4 members in family, my parents and I have one elder sibling. That's all about me. Thank you. Good morning. My name is Khanam. I was currently working as an accountant at XYZ company where I handled and analyzed profit and loss of the company. I have 3 years of experience in that particular field. Before that, I worked at ABC company where I was leading and guiding in manufacturing one of the major product of company. I really enjoyed every bit of work I did. After managing the most successful new product launch, I realized I am ready to take any kind of new role. Now it's really time for me to explore and expand more of my skills and learn more. I would love the chance to explore and gain new knowledge and dig in much deeper in the company like this, which is why I am so excited about this opportunity. Talking about my hobbies, I enjoy writing, reading and public speaking. In my college, I was an editor for our very own school newspaper. That's all about me. Thank you. Good morning. I am Khanam. I am from Mumbai. I am currently pursuing my MTech from ABC University. I completed my BTech from XYZ University. Along with my degree, I completed Java, web development courses from YouTube and those concepts really helped me to develop my final year BTech project which was called Give Your Project Name. I have done 6 months of internship in ABC company with great work exposure. I love doing social works, so I recently joined NGO in Delhi where I teach hundreds of students for the better future. Firstly, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. My name is Khanam. I completed my engineering from ABC University in 2018 and since then I have been working as a graphic designer. Along with my degree, I completed specialization course on graphic designing from Coursera and even got certificates for the same. I created lots of logo designs and magazine designs and I also worked as a freelance in XYZ website. Now I am looking to expand my career graph by joining your reputed organization as a graphic designer. Thank you. Hi, I am Khanam. I completed my BTech in 2011 and after that I changed my line of profession and got into teaching mathematics, which always remained my first love. I started my own home tuitions and I also helped more than 500 students in campus. I started my blog where I write short tricks to solve sums. This has helped more than 1 million students to reach out my blog. Writing blogs and helping students gave me an overall experience in the field of teaching. Now I am looking forward to join your organization for the further development of my skills and to help more students in their career. Thank you.